Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300, and if you guys need to find where the relay for the rear window defroster is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. We'll explain how to test the relay as well, and if your defroster still doesn't work, we'll explain what else could be causing that. So make sure to stay until the end. We'll share very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of money. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. If you need to guys buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So what we have specifically here, guys, this is the 3.6 engine that we have, and now this is the fuse box. For the main fuse box in the engine bay, you have two things that you push in and you pull out and you open it. Now unfortunately, guys, the relay for the rear window defroster is not here. It's actually located in the trunk of your Chrysler 300. So let's pop the trunk open and we'll continue. So we're in the trunk now, guys, and right here under the cover you have the spare tire, car battery, and here, okay, check this thing out. You're going to have a fuse box. You have one thing that you push in and pull it out. Now you guys need to check here, okay, the relay that you will need to check for the rear window defroster, guys, will be known as relay 28. Relay 28, guys, will be that relay right here. Now most models will have that one, however this one is missing. Somebody used it for something else. So if you need to find the relay, okay, that's why ours is not working. That's where it will be located. Relay number 28. If you need to buy replacement relays, parts, tools, and you want to see where you can get them from for a good price and quick shipping, we will put the link in the description of the video below. We can buy a replacement relay at a really good price. If you want to see how to test the relay or fuses, we will share a link to a special video that will teach you how to do that. Now if your rear window defroster still does not work, we have a video on the channel that explains why rear window defroster does not work on Chrysler 300 and how to diagnose the problem. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.